가까운 미래, 의학이 발달하면서 인공수정으로 아이의 성별, 병에 걸릴 확률, IQ, 신체 능력, 외모까지 모든 유전자 구성을 부모가 선택할 수 있는 시대. 뛰어난 유전자를 가진 인공수정 아이들이 태어나고 있는 가운데 아주 극소수만이 자연임신으로 태어나고 있었죠.
10 fingers, 10 toes. That's all that used to matter.
이제는 아이가 태어나자마자 뽑은 피 한 방울로 그 사람의 질병 확률, 사회적 가능성, 심지어 수명까지 알 수 있었고
Manic depression, 42% probability. Attention deficit disorder, 89% probability. Heart disorder, 99% probability. Life expectancy, 30.2 years.
자연임신으로 태어나면서부터 예상 수명 30세라는 냉정한 진단을 받고 태어난 아이, 빈센트.
I know he'll do something.
부모님의 기대에도 약하게 태어난 빈센트는 매번 그들을 걱정시켰고
Every skinned knee and runny nose was treated as if it were life-threatening.
I'm sorry, the insurance won't cover it. If he fell,
But everything was
I
gonna be
really
all-
wish there was something I could do.
불완전한 그의 DNA를 받아주는 곳이 없자 부모님은 결국 인공수정으로 아이를 한 명 더 갖기로 결정하죠.
First, we may as well decide on gender.
We would want Vincent to have a brother, to play with.
I've taken the liberty of eradicating any potentially prejudicial conditions. And keep in mind, this child is still you, simply the best of you. You could conceive naturally 1,000 times and never get such a result.
그렇게 얼마 뒤 태어난 빈센트의 동생 안톤.
That's how my brother Anton came into the world. A son my father considered worthy of his name.
우월한 유전자답게 성장할수록 뛰어난 면모를 보이기 시작한 안톤은 근시로 안경을 쓰고 키도 훨씬 작은 빈센트의 유일한 친구가 되어주었고
Our favorite game was chicken.
두 사람은 종종 바다를 헤엄쳐 먼저 겁이 나서 돌아오는 쪽이 지는 겁쟁이 놀이를 즐겨 했는데요.
Of course, it was always me. Anton was by far the stronger swimmer, and he had no excuse to fail.
허약했지만 어릴 적부터 우주에 관심이 많아 우주비행사의 꿈을 키우고 있었던 빈센트.
How many astronauts are there anyway? I bet I could be one if I wanted.
하지만 열등한 유전자인 그의 꿈을 응원해주는 사람은 아무도 없었는데
You have to be realistic. With a heart condition like yours,
There's a chance there's nothing even wrong with my heart.
the trouble is they won't.
The only way that you'll see the inside of a spaceship is if you were cleaning it.
가족들의 이야기에도 포기하지 않던 그는 17살 무렵 가짜 이력서를 만들어 우주항공회사 가타카에 지원했지만
If you refuse to disclose, they can always take a sample from a door handle or a handshake.
이력서는 형식적인 절차일 뿐 피검사, 각질, 머리카락 등 그 사람의 유전자로 모든 걸 결정하고 있었죠.
You sure you want to do this? You know you're gonna lose.
유전자로 인해 가타카 면접을 포기한 그날 화가 난 빈센트는 오늘도 안톤과 겁쟁이 놀이를 하는데
But something was very different about that day. Every time Anton tried to pull away, he found me right beside him. Until finally, the impossible happened.
드디어 처음으로 안톤을 이기게 된 빈센트.
It was the one moment in our lives that my brother was not as strong as he believed, and I was not as weak. It was the moment that made everything else possible.
그렇게 자신의 가능성을 확인한 그는 스스로 가족을 지운 후 우주비행사가 아닌 청소부로 가타카에 입사하게 됩니다.
Welcome to Gattaca, gentlemen.
No, we now have discrimination down to a science. I was never more certain of how far away I was from my goal than when I was standing right beside it.
우주비행사는 유전학적으로 빈센트와 거리가 멀었지만 빈센트는 포기하지 않고 그 외적인 모든 것을 최상으로 만들려 노력했는데요.
No matter how much I trained or how much I studied, the best test score in the world wasn't going to matter unless I had the blood test to go with it.
너무나도 간절했던 나머지 결국 유전자를 위장시켜주는 브로커를 찾게 되고
You realize the commitment is binding.
인공수정으로 우수하게 태어났음에도 브로커를 통해 자신의 유전자를 팔려고 하는 남자.
His credentials are impeccable. An expiration date you wouldn't believe.
그는 수영선수로 활약했지만 교통사고를 당해 하반신 마비가 된 제롬 머로우였죠.
You look so right together, I want to double my fee.
We don't look anything alike.
It's close enough. It happened out of the country. There's no record he ever broke his back. As far as anyone's concerned, he's still a walking, talking, fully productive member of society.
그렇게 수입의 25%를 준다는 조건을 걸고 제롬의 신분을 사게 된 빈센트는 눈동자 색과 근시를 고치기 위한 렌즈를 맞춘 후
Isn't there another way?
Surgery's no good. You'll see the scars. Besides, the color doesn't match.
My eyes are prettier.
치아부터 외형까지 전부 제롬과 똑같이 만들지만
I guess that's it.
한 가지 해결하지 못한 문제가 생겨버리는데요.
This is still a matter of the height.
How tall were you before the accident?
Unfortunately, his profile says he's 6'1".
So I can wear lifts.
Even with lifts, you're not that tall.
So what?
결국 뼈를 잘라 키를 늘리는 수술까지 하게 된 빈센트.
I took my mind off the pain by reminding myself that when I eventually did stand up, I'd be exactly 2 inches closer to the stars. You had to be a right-hander, huh? I guess no one orders southpaws anymore. Jerome Morrow. It's a nice name. I can't be you without it.
What makes you think you can be me at all?
Look at this.
Jerome Morrow was never meant to be one step down on the podium. It's silver. With all I had going for me, I was still second best. So how do you expect to pull this off?
I don't know exactly.
그렇게 오랜 노력 끝에 가타카에 취직할 모든 준비를 마치게 된 무렵
You really want to be in there? I don't want to be in there. I want to be up there.
What's up there?
That's what I want to find out, Jerome.
Call me Eugene. My middle name.
그리고 며칠 뒤 빈센트는 제롬의 유전자로 한 번에 가타카를 합격하게 되는데요.
Congratulations.
What about the interview?
That was it.
I got it.
Of course you got it.
그날 이후 매일 출근 전 빈센트가 자신의 채모와 각질을 벗겨내 소각로에 태우는 사이 제롬은 회사에서 사용하게 될 소변, 각질, 머리카락, 혈액 샘플을 준비했고
While Eugene supplied me with a new identity, I paid the rent and kept him in the style to which he'd become accustomed.
자신은 늘 완벽해야 한다는 신념을 가진 제롬 덕분에 매일 정교하게 준비된 옷과 신발, 샘플들을 챙기고 출근할 수 있게 된 빈센트. 회사에서도 빈센트는 깔끔하게 자신의 흔적을 지웠고 그동안 준비했던 완벽한 비행 계획으로 단숨에 가타카의 총책임자 조세프의 눈에 들어오게 되죠.
It's right that someone like you is taking us to Titan.
Has the committee approved the mission?
You leave in a week. You've got a substance test.
1년간 토성계의 14번째 달인 타이탄을 탐사할 준비를 하고 있는 가타카.
Beautiful piece of equipment there, Jerome. Have I ever told you that?
Only every time I'm in here.
빠른 승진으로 빈센트는 타이탄의 우주비행사로 발탁됩니다.
So, you're about to go up. 1 week left.
최연소 우주비행사가 된 그의 소식을 들은 동료 아이린은 그에게 축하 인사를 건네고
Congratulations, Jerome.
Thank you.
If you're going to pretend like you don't care, don't look up.
그렇게 점점 꿈과 가까워지던 이때 평소 빈센트의 신분을 의심하던 임무감독관이 가타카에서 사망한 채 발견된 사건이 발생하는데요. 그리고 빈센트는 실수로 자신의 눈썹을 사건 현장 근처에 떨어뜨려 버리죠.
Well, I think we can rule out suicide. Thank you.
내부에 범인이 있다고 확신한 경찰들은 회사에 있는 모든 증거를 수집하고
Irene, I want you to assist the investigators. So will you kindly inform the authorities that we will cooperate in any way?
How will this affect the mission?
Oh, we're still going ahead as planned. The launch window is only open until week's end, and
자신에게 위기가 찾아오고 있다는 사실을 전혀 모르는 빈센트는 타이탄에 발탁된 소식을 제롬에게 전하는데
End of the week. That's soon. What about the mission director?
He's dead. So that's it. There's nothing between us and ignition.
기쁜 소식의 그날 밤 축하 파티를 하게 된 두 사람.
I can't believe you pulled this off.
I hate to think of you alone in that room for a year.
Well, don't think about it.
You should be going instead of me.
Why is that?
Because up there, your legs wouldn't matter.
I'm scared of heights.
한편 경찰들을 도와 범인의 흔적을 찾던 아이린은 유독 뛰어난 유전자로 가장 빠르게 타이탄에 발탁된 빈센트의 머리카락을 찾아내 유전자 검사기관에 맡기는데
You want the full sequence? Yes. 9.3. Quite a catch. Yes. Quite a catch.
아이린이 완벽한 빈센트의 유전자에 착잡해하고 있던 무렵 빈센트의 눈썹 유전자 테스트를 마친 수사관들.
How much do you need?
20 minutes.
제롬의 심장박동을 롤러에 녹음한 빈센트는 다음날 우주비행사 심장박동 테스트에 참여하고 때마침 경찰들은 부적격으로 나온 눈썹의 주인이 과거 이곳에서 일했던 빈센트라는 사실을 알게 되는데
All we have to do is find the man who's minus an eyelash. We have the murderer.
I want you to check the entry log, alibis, grudges. I look around, I see a lot of dry eyes. The mission director was not universally loved. He was leading the cutbacks in the program.
Jerome, the metronome. We could play the piano by that heartbeat of his. Mr. Director, you will be pleased to know that we have a suspect.
An invalid.
Be that as it may, I'm having this posted immediately.
I'm curious, Director. Who do you have to be here?
Bodies with minds to match, essential. As we push out further and further.
이때 녹음해뒀던 제롬의 심장박동이 끝이 나고
Are you all right, Jerome?
Terrific.
그 이후 계속되는 아슬아슬한 실수.
I'll take care of that for you, Mr. Morrow.
빈센트는 자신에게 어떠한 일이 닥쳐오고 있는지 꿈에도 모르고 있었죠.
Jerome?
I had you sequenced. I read your profile. I'm sorry. Seems you're everything they say you are and more.
What about you, Irene?
Not quite like the rest of you.
An acceptable likelihood of heart failure. I think that's what the manual says.
Well, if there's anything wrong with you, I can't see it from where I'm standing.
If you don't believe me, here. If you're still interested, let me know.
I'm sorry, the wind caught it.
그렇게 아이린과 서로 호감을 느끼기 시작한 이때 가타카 전체에 살인사건의 용의자로 깔리게 된 과거의 빈센트.
Jerome, is this the approach path we discussed?
Absolutely, Director.
수사망이 생각보다 빠르게 좁혀오자 누군가 자신을 알아볼까 하는 불안감은 점점 커져오고
They think I killed the mission director.
What makes them think that?
They found my eyelash
Where?
in the corridor. They've got my picture plastered up all over the place. They'll recognize me.
They won't recognize you.
They'll recognize me!
I don't recognize you.
You're Jerome Morrow, navigator first class.
I'm not Jerome Morrow.
What are you doing?
I'm a murder suspect. Stop that!
하지만 빈센트의 간절함을 누구보다 더 잘 알고 있는 제롬은 이대로 모든 것을 끝낼 수 없었죠.
You can't quit on me now.
They are going to find me.
When they look at you, they don't see you anymore. They only see me. Keep your lashes on your lids where they belong.
제롬의 설득으로 다시 평정심을 찾은 빈센트. 이전보다 더 꼼꼼하게 자신의 흔적을 지운 그는 다음 날 아이린과 피아노 연주회를 참석하며 데이트를 즐기는데요. 하지만 수색 범위를 더 넓힌 경찰은 차량 검문까지 하며 범인을 찾고 있었고
What's all this about?
동공까지 모두 확인하는 경찰들의 위기를 느낀 빈센트는 끼고 있던 렌즈를 빼버리는데
You better not,
다행히 준비해뒀던 제롬의 피로 차량 검문을 통과하지만
I want to show you something.
렌즈 없이 앞을 제대로 볼 수 없었고 도로를 제대로 건너지 못하는 빈센트의 모습에 아이린도 뭔가 이상함을 느끼는데 그렇게 제롬에서 빈센트로 돌아온 그는 아이린이 보여준 일출도 제대로 보지 못합니다.
What did I tell you? strange.
What?
Your eyes look different.
I guess it must be the light.
그 시각 가타카에서 수사를 지속하던 경찰들은 청소부의 쓰레기까지 수거해가고
But it's just trash.
그곳에 있던 빈센트의 종이컵을 발견하게 되죠.
The cup was definitely used since the original sweep.
I don't think he cleans up the place anymore. I have a feeling he might be there under false pretenses, playing somebody else's hand.
I find it hard to believe he could be one of their elite workers.
I say we sample every employee within the parameters, intravenously.
가타카에서 누군가 가짜 신분을 가지고 있다고 짐작한 경찰들은 다음날 정맥 검사를 실시하는데
It's only a matter of time, sir. Only a matter of time.
하지만 철저했던 빈센트는 교묘하게 혈액을 받고 위기를 넘어갑니다.
Luckily, it looks as though we have enough.
Well, if you need any more, you can always get it off his shoes.
That's the last.
Something's not right.
He's not here. It's a blind alley.
No, we missed something.
정맥 검사에도 범인이 나오지 않자 타이탄 비행이 더 중요했던 조세프는 경찰들의 수사를 더 이상 허락하지 않았고
Mission means a great deal to you, doesn't it? And your late colleague opposed it, didn't he?
You won't find a violent bone in my body.
My apologies, Director. We won't trouble you any further.
우주 비행이 이틀밖에 남지 않은 지금 아이린과 남은 시간을 보내는 빈센트.
I'm luckier than most. Not as lucky as some.
I know something about that.
You, Jerome? What heart problem did you ever have?
Would you like to dance? A year is a long time.
Not so long.
Hello, everyone. Nice to see you. I am your detective for the evening. Please don't leave the premises. Check for hips, check lenses, check dentures.
다급해진 빈센트는 뒷문으로 도망쳐 나오고
Where did they go? Where did they go?
겨우 도망쳐 아이린과 몸을 숨긴 이때
Vincent!
Who's Vincent?
빈센트의 이름을 부르는 이 경찰.
Vincent!
아이린은 빈센트가 제롬이 아니라는 것을 짐작하지만 이미 그에게 마음을 뺏겨버렸고 그렇게 두 사람은 하룻밤을 보내게 되죠. 다음 날 잠에서 깨자마자 밖으로 나와 바닷물로 자신의 흔적을 없애는 빈센트.
Is that the man from last night?
He's nobody.
빈센트가 제롬이라는 것을 짐작하고 있는 경찰은 그의 자리를 수색하는데
Jerome Morrow.
You don't look well, Jerome. Why don't you go home? Can I help you?
I'm looking for Jerome Morrow.
I'm sorry, he's ill, a little nausea. It's quite common before mission.
I ought to pay him a visit. I understand you can show me the way.
아이린의 도움으로 경찰의 눈을 피한 빈센트는 제롬에게 이 사실을 전하고
Hello.
Eugene, I need you to be yourself for the day.
I was never very good at it, remember?
The investigators are coming by.
How long have I got?
Not long.
형사가 들이닥친다는 소식에 휠체어에서 내려와 상반신을 이용해 위층으로 올라가는 제롬.
I guess he's not home.
Anna? I'm here to see Jerome Morrow.
Come on.
I guess he's home.
Hello, sweetheart. Where's my kiss?
Good to see you're feeling better.
Who's your friend?
It's about the director.
I hope it's no trouble.
No trouble.
경찰은 곧바로 제롬의 혈액을 채취하고 유전자 검사를 해보는데
Who are you expecting?
그렇게 아이린이 진짜 제롬의 정체를 알게 된 이때
Yes.
We have our man, sir.
You have him?
We have him in custody.
I'll come right away.
경찰이 돌아가자 빈센트는 모습을 보이고
How are you, Jerome?
Not bad, Jerome.
How the hell did you get up here?
Oh, I could always walk. I've been faking it.
Irene.
Don't touch me.
Listen to me, Irene. I'm the same person I was yesterday. My name is Vincent, and I'm a faith birth or a degenerate, whatever you want to call it. Only I don't have 20 or 30 years left in mine. Mine is already 10,000 beats overdue.
It's not possible.
For whatever it's worth, I'm here to tell you that it is possible.
한편 감독관의 시신에 미세하게 남아있던 유전 조직으로 타이탄 발사를 밀던 조세프가 범인이라는 사실을 밝히게 된 경찰.
His spit was found in the dead director's eye.
Invalid had nothing to do with this?
Our friend here acted alone. This mission meant everything to him, didn't it? And since nothing can stop the launch now, he's being very, very cooperative. You'll be celebrating tonight, sir.
Of course.
조금 뒤 범인이 잡혔다는 소식에 가타카로 향한 빈센트는 그를 쫓던 경찰과 마주하는데
Vincent? My God, you have changed. Has it been so long you don't recognize your own brother?
그는 바로 빈센트의 동생 안토니였죠.
What are you doing here, Anton?
I should ask you that question.
I committed no murder.
You've committed fraud.
안토는 빈센트의 유전자로는 이곳에 있을 수 없다고 이야기하지만
There are still a few million miles left to go. It's over. God, even you are gonna tell me what I can and can't do now? In case you haven't noticed, I don't need any rescuing. But you did once.
You didn't beat me that day. I beat myself.
Who are you trying to convince?
You want me to prove it to you? I'll prove it to you!
I do.
그렇게 옛날처럼 다시 한번 겁쟁이 놀이를 하게 된 두 사람.
Vincent! Vincent! Where's the shore? We're too far out. You wanna quit? We're too far out! You wanna quit? No!
하지만 얼마 안가 안토는 자신의 한계를 느끼는데
Vincent! How are you doing this, Vincent? I never saved anything for the swim back.
이번에도 빈센트는 의식을 잃어가는 안톤을 살렸고 오로지 노력만으로 우월한 유전자를 뛰어넘을 수 있다는 것을 증명하게 되죠. 이제 타이탄 비행을 하루 남긴 시점, 마지막으로 아이린을 찾아온 빈센트.
You couldn't see, could you? That night crossing the street.
If you're still interested, let me know.
Sorry. The wind caught it.
그렇게 아이린의 마음을 확인한 다음 날
You're flying today, aren't you?
어째서인지 제롬은 평생 쓸 수 있는 샘플을 남겨놓고 집을 정리하고 있었는데
Why have you done all this? Where are you going?
I'm traveling too.
I don't know how to thank you.
I got the better end of the deal. I only lent you my body. You lent me your dream. Not until you're upstairs.
제롬과 작별 인사를 나눈 빈센트는 드디어 오랜 꿈이었던 우주비행을 코앞에 두게 되지만
What is this?
New policy.
예상치 못한 유전자 검사가 남아있었고
Flight got you nervous? I never did tell you about my son, did I? He's a big fan of yours. He wants to apply here. Unfortunately, my son's not all that they promised. But then who knows what he could do.
차마 샘플을 준비하지 못한 그는 하는 수 없이 자신의 소변을 건네주며 모든 게 실패로 돌아갔다고 생각하는데
For future reference, right-handed men don't hold it with their left. You don't miss your flight, Vincent.
빈센트와 같은 부적격자 아들을 두고 있었던 검사관은 아버지의 마음으로 그의 판정을 바꿔주었고 그렇게 그는 무사히 우주비행선에 탑승하게 됩니다. 한편 홀로 남아 여행을 떠날 준비를 하고 있는 제롬. 하지만 그가 있는 곳은 빈센트가 유전 조직을 태우던 소각로였고 자신의 은메달을 목에 걸던 그는 스스로 생을 마감하게 되죠. 그 시각 우주에 도착해 제롬이 남긴 편지를 열어보는 빈센트.
For someone who was never meant for this world, I must confess, I'm suddenly having a hard time leaving it. Of course, they say every atom in our bodies was once part of a star. Maybe I'm not leaving. Maybe I'm going home.
그렇게 영화 가타카는 불가능을 이겨내고 우주비행사의 꿈을 이룬 빈센트를 마지막으로 끝이 납니다.